So this morning I am going to do Elemore Park Run, which is brand new. I know it's been a little while since I've done a park run vlog, but you know, me touring lately or going anywhere special. So here I am at Elemore and I'm greeted with the first bit of snow of this year, as you can see. Famous sign, Elemore Park Run. You can clearly see people trying to hide from the snow wherever possible, so the race briefing was held there. As you can see, it's still really blizzard conditions, okay, just at the start. And here we go. So I didn't mention, but it's actually a two-lapped course with a long straight at the start and a long straight at the end. Okay, so this is the start of the long straight. There's some nice little undulations in the course. Come up to the second lap. Here's the final straight. I mean, just look at that sun there, just rising on the horizon there. So there was a short window of opportunity where I did manage to get the drone up, just so you can have a look from an aerial view. And don't forget, there are a few pictures just at the end of the video. Okay, so if you like it, subscribe to my channel. Okay, and thank you to the volunteers on this park run. So that was Elemore Park Run. What started off as a snow blizzard ended up in absolutely wonderful sunshine again, and the course is now coated with a fine layer of snow. So really, what a great park run. What a difference, as we can see. Glorious sunshine now as you're coming in to the final straight. Yeah, well done to the volunteers for volunteering in this god awful weather where it was at the start. So a round of applause to those volunteers. So hopefully this should be a really good video. Everybody poses for a big sign.